90 rupees. Okay. And same thing happens that, okay, fine, this A person has given 1,000 pair of shoes to, let's suppose, Chennai, right? And this person says, "Oh, okay, you're already reached to the maximum, to the minimum cost, manufacturing cost, and I can last give you at 85%, 85 rupees per, okay, per pair of shoes." Now, this organization, okay, who is taking order, right, all these orders, this organization feels, okay, fine, yes, we have received 3,000 pair of shoes order, right, from different locations, Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. But is that the actual scenario? The actual scenario is A has given an order of 1,000 pair of shoes, okay, and he would take it, he would consider that, okay, fine, C1 has actually given me, given me this, and I'll go by 85, okay. The rest, whatever this organization manufactures for 90 rupees or 100 rupees, is not going to buy, right? So what is the problem over here? Problem is there is a clear scenario of data duplicacy. Okay. Now considering, I just gave you an example. So considering these kind of, you know, loopholes or problems in this decentralized ERP, a new solution which was actually evolved, what we call as centralized ERP. Okay. Now, what happened in the centralized ERP is the moment this guy, Delhi guy, gave and took an order for 1,000 pair of shoes, right, at rupees 100. The moment this guy, this A guy, would try to give or would try to be smart and would try to actually give an order to Mumbai guy, right? This Mumbai guy would immediately sense that, okay, fine, there is already an order of 1,000 pair of shoes, right, by this same person, right? And if he wants to add an additional 1,000 pair of shoes order, so that I can take, but then I cannot take the same order. So in case this guy A wants to, prepare another set of 1,000 pair of shoes, then he can actually give him better, then he can take order. Okay. And then at least he will know that, okay, fine, this order has been given by my company, and this is the history of negotiation, what has been done, right? And he would either say, no, sir, 100 rupees is the best price, right? So company is saving more, okay? On top of it, considering the previous decentralized scenario, these Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai people have actually given, taken their orders, right? Prepared it, and they would actually sync with real business at certain point of interval, like maybe at the day end or month end, when their department head or maybe when the sales head would say, okay, fine, I want to see what is the sales you have actually procured, right? Sales leads what you've procured. So at that time, these guys would say, okay, fine, I've taken this, I've taken this, and I've taken this. And by that time, almost the entire day or a month is already gone. Okay. And after that, when HR would come to see, okay, fine, yes, we have got 3,000 pair of shoes order. We need more manpower, right? So since we have already wasted a lot of time, so this HR would actually hire more employees, right? On higher wages, considering the urgency. Okay. So whenever there is an urgent requirement and whenever there is a urgent hiring happening, right? So you get less of a skilled person, that too on a higher wages. So you're wasting resources, right? Then your material management team would say, last time when we actually checked, material was already gone, right? Already exhausted. So we need more material in decentralized scenario, okay? And they would order more material. However, production planning team who was working in real, they were already aware about this exhaustion and they already ordered more raw material through different vendors which organization already had. So they all, in actual, the warehouse is already full. However, material management team placed an additional order, right? So now this organization need more warehouse, right? More warehouse to store raw material, right? And moreover, having more raw material means your raw material can get wasted, right? So there are multiple issues which were there in decentralized scenario, and as a result, this centralized ERP solution was actually introduced, okay, as a solution. Because these challenges were not possible to exist in new centralized ERP solution, because the moment this person A places an order, HR immediately gets an information that yes, we have received an order for 1,000 pair of shoes and we need more manpower. Let's see whether we can cater this requirement from multiple plants what we have in Chennai, Mumbai, or Delhi. If we can, then immediately material management would see in the centralized system that yes, do we have enough raw material in warehouse? So warehouse would immediately reflect that yes, we already have the raw material. There is no need of bringing new raw material. Sales and distribution, whatever they update. Second order